Got an old Kenmore dryer here and the plastic handle broke off. I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can fix that. Hey, what's up YouTube? Down the Fix It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just a really quick, easy fix. If you've got a dryer like this one happens to be a Kenmore, but a lot of different models have this same style of plastic handle. Maytag, Whirlpool as well. And what happens is these plastic tabs on here just get brittle, and so it ends up breaking off. You know, it's nobody's fault. Somebody just was pulling on this and it snapped off. You can actually see these little tabs are broken. Now, if your handle didn't break off completely and there's still pieces stuck in here, you are going to need to take off this outside door skin, and that's really easy to do. Just grab something like a little hook tool like this and pull it down, and then you see there are two screws that hold this skin on, one at either end. You could take these Phillips screws out and that will expose the tabs on the inside, and then you can push it out the rest of the way. In our case, it broke off completely, so all we need to do is grab the new one and snap it in place. And I'm going to do it with the door closed. It's only about $5 on Amazon. Now you start here with the bottom hooks or little tabs right here. That's what broke off on the old one. All we need to do is just kind of line that up. Now press it down a little bit so that those hooks will engage, and then press it firmly against the door. You hear that click on this side, just do the same on this side. You do have to press it pretty hard to get it to snap in place, but as long as you hear it snap on both sides, you'll know it's installed. And that's it. New handle is installed. Door works great. Hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up one of these replacement handles as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.